We are participating in Aviation India 2014. We represent here a few OEMs from foreign country. They make flight simulators for helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft. We also make simulator for air traffic controls simulators for civil and military. This simulator can act a very important role for our pilots and aviation community to give safe training at very reasonable cost. As a company, we are a leader in flight simulator in Indian industry. We supplied good number of simulators to a lot of flight training organizations, operators. They are using my simulators with the trouble-free supports available from our company. This will be used for pilots, and this will be used for aerospace engineers to universities and all. And this technology, because see, to know the safe flying, you have to fly in the air. Their fuel will be burned. Safe environment may not be there because the life threat is there. You cannot use the emergency firefighting things and all. Those training you can do on the ground before going into flying. We sell these simulators and support to the flight training organizations, operators. Even our few simulator is suitable for the airlines industry. They can drastically reduce the training cost. And we supplied the good number of simulator to Airport Authority of India for their ATCOs training, Air Traffic Control Officers training. So that's it. We are associated with a company from Canada that's called Adacel. They make simulator for civil and military simulations for air traffic controllers. Then we represent one company from Switzerland. That company is makes simulator for fixed wing and rotary wing aircraft. Then recently we have introduced very low cost aircraft which is made in Germany. If this aircraft will be approved for flying training by Government of India, it will reduce the pilot training cost 50%. Like tomorrow, people from a small family can dare to become a pilot because this aircraft burn automobile fuel and their operating cost is not more than 3,000 rupees. Whether the existing aircraft having operating cost is not less than 10,000 rupees. So today pilots, to become a pilot, you have to invest around 20 lakh rupees or 30 lakh rupees. So tomorrow, if this aircraft will be used for flying training, the pilot, you can become a pilot for 10 lakh rupees. So this is the, this aircraft is for tomorrow pilot training and all. In civil aviation, our government is associated with a member of ICAO, right? So any machine manufactured in foreign country, that has to be certified by their regulator. If it is not certified by their regulator, it cannot be certified by our regulator. So any machine is manufactured here, but this machine manufactured outside of the country. So first they manufacture, certified by their regulators, then it recertified by our government. Same with the aircraft. The aircraft manufactured in Germany, they have a type acceptance certificate or design acceptance certificate. This will be accepted by Indian regulator. We call it TA, type acceptance. That's in Switzerland. We are just getting the equipment from Switzerland, assembled here locally, and we give the local training and all, and local supports. So maximum machines and software is developed in Switzerland only for this region. Otherwise, our simulators is all over the world. In America, that's Adacel is having a big name. They have captured, I think, maximum United States Air Force and the civil environment also. Then the same simulator is used in Europe. We call ENAV, European Navigation Organization. So they use there, and same with this Elite. They are worldwide. Yeah. We have two simulators in Hyderabad itself. One is used by AP Aviation Academy. They are the first owner for Garmin-based simulator in this whole Asia. And I think I supplied those simulators in 2008. Yep. And still that's working, trouble-free. And you can ask the operator how happy they are. In civil aviation, not me. Everybody in civil aviation are facing the challenges about a regulator only, because regulator is not so. I cannot say they are against us, against anybody, but they're very slow. The world is changing, but they don't want to change. In terms of technology and regulation, world has made one regulation in 1995. We are discussing to make those regulations in 2014. This is where we are. Everywhere we are putting some clause, security region, this region, and they make the thing slow. If world is open, like we are the member, like for a regulation, we are the member of ICAO. So any rule passed by ICAO, we have formulated our rule for our own safety purpose and all, but we cannot simply decline or delay. I give you example. The rule for light sports aircraft in the place of the world in 1995. And we our DGCA is thinking to make that rule now. They're thinking, again thinking. I don't know how long they will think. So these are the challenges everybody is facing in this country. Regulator has to be more supportive. They should follow the rules. We are not saying that but their rules should be in compliant in the standard and in challenge with their rules also. Because ICAO is not ours. It is the World Organization for Civil Aviation. So that's the only challenge we are facing. That's it. For simulators, we are not facing any challenge because this is already certified there. They have the rules. Yes, I can say you. I said we started marketing simulators since 2007. All right. Till date, there is no clear-cut guideline for fixed wing training simulator in our DGCA. They have somewhere some regulations, some this, but not like a specified designed regulation for fixed wing simulator. This rotary wing simulator, they have rotary wing car now. So that's where they are working. So we are just facing challenges about the regulatory issues and all. Civil aviation we are hopeful that it will grow very good, maybe after election. Everybody is thinking after election what is going to be done, I don't know. But civil aviation is because we are passionate. I'm a pilot. So we are doing this business for our passion. So we don't have anything, we are defined. We don't have to do anything else. I know some money is there, some other business and all, but we cannot go. So we are for aviation, we will be for aviation only.